Next, let's talk about the connection of the laser. This line is the power line of the laser. Press here. We plug it into this power supply. Then this line is the signal line of the laser. There are screws on both sides to fix it. Let's plug it in first. Then tighten the screws on both sides. The other side too. Then this line is the network line of the laser. We plug it directly into the network cable connection port of this laser. We have successfully connected the laser line. Then this is the water inlet pipe of the laser. This is the water outlet pipe of the laser. The water outlet is connected to the water inlet of the laser. The water inlet of the water cooler is connected to the water outlet of the laser. Okay, now we have connected